Okay, riders on the 0G at Oaks Park feel 0.82 G's inverted. Okay, so they're actually feeling a G force down at the top. So 1 minus the ride is, when it says it's inverted, say that it's negative 0.82, right? So what do we subtract from 1 to get negative 0.82? And the answer is that the ride is 1.82, right? 1 minus 1.82 would give you negative 0.82. Now if you want to math this, you're going to go 1 minus the ride equals negative 0.82, right? I'm going to add 0.82 to both sides. So 1 plus 0.82. I'm going to subtract the ride from both sides. So 1 plus 0.82 is the ride. The ride is 1.82 G's. So that's the ride. And then at the bottom, we'd feel 1 G plus the ride. So that's going to be 2.82, right? It's going to be 1 G plus 1.82 is 2.82 G's. Feel heavy at the bottom. You do. You actually could. This is a great one for the accelerometers. 2.82 G's. Okay, so let's see. What have we answered? We've answered the ride is 1.82 G's. Okay. What do they feel at the bottom? 2.82 G's. What is the acceleration of the ride in meters per second squared? Well, you take the ride, don't you take the top or the bottom, do the ride, and go multiply by 9.8. So 1.82 times 9.8 is 17.836 meters per second squared. So that's the actual acceleration of the ride in meters per second squared. So if you ever had to calculate something like the tangential velocity or the period, you'd use this guy.